Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for sixth grade. Notice this. And today we're gonna have reading class. So reading class is very important too. Basically, if you want to learn how to read, you need to pay attention to the vocabulary. So don't forget. First, write the date. Today it's July 29th. Okay, July 29th, 2020. And the class is for sixth grade. And the topic for today is a reading class. Okay, so we are going to have reading class today. Today we are going to study page of 82, page 82. So don't forget, this is a reading class, okay? Don't forget also, if you want to listen English, if you want to review classes, grammar class, listening class, vocabulary class, speaking class, everything, so go to the channel, Jacob Kims, and then um, you can review, you can revise what you need to study, okay? Remember, it's very important that, it's good, it's excellent that you review, you practice, you listen to Jacob's videos and you learn. What I need is you learn. What I need is you listen to teacher. And what I need is you speak. I need you speak. But today is not speaking class. Today is reading class. So let's go to the reading class. Come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Remember, I forgot something. Perhaps you don't understand at the beginning, but when you are listening many times, you're going to understand the listening and the reading exercise. Well, let's go now to other reading class, okay? So this reading class, it's about this part, you know. So we are going to study page 82. It's about this wildlife Sydney Zoo. First, I need you to do four activities. Activity number one, remember, is mandatory to use a pencil and then give activity one, circle the words that you don't understand in the reading. So, for example, I don't understand what is the meaning of wild. I don't know what is life. I don't know. I don't have no idea. So circle, circle. What is Zoom? I don't know. Get. I don't know. So ticket. Home. I don't know. I forgot. Us. I don't know what it means. Us. Oh my God. Enjoy. So activity one, circle the unknown words. Don't forget, circle the words that you don't understand. And you're gonna make the list in this part. So you're gonna write, for example, I didn't understand the word us. So I wrote copy here us. Then you copy the words that you don't understand. Okay? Here a list and look at the dictionary, right? Let me explain to you in Spanish, perhaps you can understand better. Activity 1. Círculo de palabras desconocidas y las escribe acá. ¿Ok? Las escribe en este ladito y vas buscando en el diccionario qué significa. Activity 2. Activity 2 is with the red color. You need to look for the red color, and then you're going to underline, it means this, underline, subrayar, the verse in the reading. So you're going to underline the verse in this reading. So it's not complicated because it's only this part. It's only this. Okay? So let me help you. For example, in the reading, wildlife sickness you enjoy is a verb. So you are going to underline enjoy. Adventure. Well, let me see if it's possible here to write Let me see here, perhaps here. Yeah, maybe I got it. I'm not sure. Let me see this taken out here. So enjoy. Yes, one is a verb. So underline. Come is a verb. See is a verb. Are is a verb. And is a verb. Leave is a verb. All right. Are is a verb. And here we have, well, we don't have enough. Are is a verb. Stops is a verb. And they are is a verb. And what else? Call. Call is a verb. Ask is a verb. And no more. Check is a verb also. And no more. Okay. Activity 3. Activity 3 is you are going to repeat. You're going to repeat after me. So you listen, you read, and then you speak. You're gonna do 3 activities. Let's do it. One, two, 1, 2, and 3. Wildlife Sydney Zoo. Enjoy an animal adventure in the middle of the city. Come and see us. We are on Darling Harbor, right next to the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium. Getting here is easy. Ferries to Darling Harbor leave from Circular Quay every half an hour. All right. We are a 10 minutes walk from George Street down a Market Street or King Street. Trains stop at Town Hall Station every 15 minutes. Buses are very frequent. The Sydney Explore bus stops at the aquarium at the city zoo. There are taxis everywhere in Sydney. Stop a taxi in the street or call 131008. Ask the taxi to stop at Line Street. For a full schedule, please check timetables on transport info or information 131500 or www.1315500.com.au. Perfect. So I need you to listen and repeat. Exercise 3, right? Now, exercise 4. Exercise 4 is complete the question. So we need to complete the question. So you need to answer these questions, okay? So that's what I need you to do. So let me see number 1. Number 1, let's go. Let me see, what is it? Answer the questions. 1. Where do you take the ferry to Darling Harbor? Darling Harbor. So where? So notice this. ferries to Darling Harbour leave from the circular. So you need to write circular circular quay. So here you write the circular quay in this part. How do you get to the Zoom from your street? So this is your street. How you go? So we are 10 minutes. So how you say 10 minutes walk. So you write 10 minutes walk here. Okay? Perfect. Good. That's very good. C. What train station do visitors do? What train station do visitors to the zoo use? Okay. What train station? So trains stop at Town Hall Station. So you need to write Town Hall Station every 15 minutes. So you copy here this. Okay? Town Hall Station, you copy Town Hall Station C. D. Where does Sydney explore by a stop? Explore by a stop. Um, Sydney notice buses are very frequent. The Sydney Explorer bus stops at Aquarium at the city zoo. Where does the Sydney Explorer the bus stop? So you're gonna copy the aquarium and the city zoo. So you copy the aquarium and the zoo here. Okay, and finally we have they are okay. What number do you call if you need a taxi? If you need a taxi, you look, there are taxis every seen. Stop a taxi in the street or call. So you're going to say call 131008. So this is the answer. Call 131008. You copy here. And that's all. Nothing else. Very simple. Complicated? So reading class is very important if you know the words, if you have vocabulary. If you don't have vocabulary, it's going to be complicated for you to understand. All right? I hope so you have enjoyed this class. It's not complicated. It's just practicing. Okay? So these questions, the answers are here. Okay? For example, number one is number one. Number two, number two, we're walk 10 minutes walk 400 streets. So, okay, remember the answers. If you don't understand, it's possible to review or else and reward the video and then you listen again and then you can complete here because it's possible. Okay, so nothing else. I hope so you enjoy. Notice this. This is a camel. This is a kangaroos. These two are kangaroos. So wildlife, wild is a very useful word that we use all the time. Salvajes, la vida salvaje en el zoológico de Sydney. Wildlife Sydney Zoo. Enjoy an animal adventure in the middle of the city. All right. So I hope so you have learned this, especially four activities. Activity one, circle them on no words. Activity two, the verbs. Activity three, uh, pronounce, repeat after the teacher. And activity four, complete the questions here, exercise two. Nothing else, four activities that you need to do in the reading class, okay? Good. Any question? Don't forget, you can ask me in Phidias or when we have virtual class, you can ask me and I will answer to you. All right, that's all for today. So I hope so you have enjoyed.